Are you struggling with your website speed? Okay, we have that perfect solution for you. But before moving on, you will need to subscribe to our channel, put your thumbs up, and not forget to enjoy the video. The first 5 to 10 seconds are important when you have website visitors because that's when your website's amazing design grabs your future customers' attention. But if your website is not that fast, you might lose a chance of getting your future customers. So this is why you need this plugin, which is called FlashCache. So here is our plugin, and you will simply need to install and activate it, and you will find it here. Now let's go to its dashboard. And here you can see a very constructive and easy to use dashboard with its distinctive features. So we only need this part if you want to improve your website speeds in less than 2 minutes. For this, you will need to enable your cache and delete cache and save your changes. So then you can also copy and paste your website's link here and see how it improved your website speed. In our case, it became like 90%, and in this case, it is like 100%, which is really good and amazing. And now let's explore some other features that FlashCache can offer us. Okay, so you saw how simple it was to delete the cache and enable cache and improve our website speed. But here are some customization options that you can use to make some changes. In these advanced options, here you can see some other important features such as cache location. So you can choose the location where you want to store your cache so that then it is easier for you to navigate through it and find it. Then you can also choose your default timeline, and so it is a 1 year, but you can change it and customize it to your needs. Then you can also set some let's say exceptions. In this case, for example, do not cache users with cookies, and some cookie examples where you can also add yours or delete some rows. Also, you can use this interesting features here, optimize styles and optimize scripts, where you can combine all this CSS and scripts and minimize them and optimize your website. Also, you can choose log type, either you want it to be with files or you want it to be with in your database. Also, you can go to patterns and create your own patterns. So here you can add yours and make your changes here. It has like the easiest way to do it. You simply need to put your checks here. You can also use where you want to do cache. For example, if your URL contains this word, then it should not be cached, or if it contains this word, then it should be cached. Then you can again here choose your cache type, which is we have two options here: HTML static, ultra fast, and we have PHP files. Then you can also again set here the minimum timeline and maximum timeline of your cache. Afterwards, you can also go to preload, and you know that cache occurs when your visitors first visit your website. So this option of FlashCache offers you a preload option, which means that even before your website visitors, your website can be cached and be faster than ever for your even first time visitors. So you can again choose your taxonomies, which means like the categories and the tags that you want your cache to apply to. Then you can also choose the number of pages per execution and your time per preload. And you can also use this function where you can disable preload on finish, or you can use it constantly. Afterwards, you need to execute preload, and let's do that. And then you will need to save changes, and your website is faster than ever with FlashCache's advanced options. That was it about FlashCache and how you can improve your website speed. And if you still have any questions concerning FlashCache or improving your website speed, you can drop them in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.